Executive presence is never a performance. It is a signal to others that you have what it takes to have that influence.
Let us all welcome the President of Regents Image Consultancy and Training, Ms. Tony Miranda.
Executive presence is never a performance. It is that trait or quality of a leader wherein the intention of your heart is to inspire another person to trust in your leadership or to have confidence in your leadership. It is a signal to others that you have what it takes to have that influence. How do you want to be remembered? Every day. Feel good first because you're gaining clarity and that clarity is giving you that confidence to even plan out boldly of how you want to be remembered, and that puts order in your day-to-day life. We will feel good not because others are validating you, no. You feel good because you're gaining clarity and that will make you be inspired with yourself. The best leaders are not the wisest, diba? Not the smartest and not the most gifted, but they are the most consistent. To be observed as someone who is consistent. You need to have that confidence. You need to be able to communicate, and you need to be remembered as someone who has. Okay, and how do we do that? You need a compass. And how do you have that compass? You need clarity. Behind every dream is a trustworthy DBP leader. Confusion and confidence, they don't go together. It's clarity and confidence that go together, and we need to understand, do I have clarity in everything that I do? After having that leadership plan, defining your personal leadership branding, because you have now clarity and purpose, of course, we wanted to align how you show up. We wanted to align what signal do you send out with your appearance. Knowledge is not power. The real power is in action.
What I loved about Miss Tony's training is how encouraging, engaging, and realistic the activities and discussions were. So I also love that this training reminded us of our core values, as these values guide us on deeper mindset and reminded us of how we really aspire to be.
She showed us that to become a better leader, we must discover ourselves, we must identify our triggers to be able to handle well ourselves, to be able to communicate better with others. Thank you.
It's very transformational. After this session, I believe that upon returning sa office, we are transformed, a better leader to lead our branch.
She showed us that beyond our best, there is more. And she taught us that we have work, power, purpose, and talent. Thank you.
Training was very engaging, fun, and informative. And if there's one thing I want to remember about Miss Tony's word of wisdom, that is, poise is a choice. Poise boosts your confidence in whatever you will do. Lastly, to our prestigious speaker, you truly inspired and transformed us. Our learnings about proper grooming, the appearance, the dress codes, the gestures, and the ethics help us bring the best we can be as a future leaders of DBP.
Very engaging and enjoyable. Aside from the learnings, I really appreciate that she sees to it that everybody on the training is alive and is listening through the various activities she had laid down. Thank you, Miss Tony, hoping to be your trainee with your other trainees. Thank you. God bless.
It is clear, concise, and filled with practical exercises. Also, the way Miss Tony talks and explains every module is truly engaging and easy to understand. Her energy and enthusiasm made our learning fun. Thank you so much, Miss Tony, for the new knowledge we gained from this training. Thank you po, nag-enjoy po kami ng sobra.